All right, Nash Clan. It's me, your girl, Dominiquenash. I am a content creator, entrepreneur, mom, wife, daughter. Easy meal, because I know the kids are out of school. I have 4, okay? So, something that's quick and easy and won't break the bank. You ready? Let's do it. This one is going to be powered to you by Aldi. I'm going to get you some tater tots from Aldi. Get you a can of chili with no beans. Beans if you like them. Some brioche buns. And some jumbo frames. So for this, we're using the director's view. So to make sure that our chili has flavoring, I hit it with black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Yumma! Just for hood. Alright, now as you know, I'm not going to eat like hubby and eat. So, I found this fresh tomato pickled de gallo at the local Aldi. And I put it on top of my chili cheese dog. Isn't it lovely? Now, that's it for today. Your budget meal of the day. Again, my name is Dominiquenash. Make sure that you vote for me as your favorite chef. See you later.